Hello everyone, I am the Yorkshire Gardener and this is my garden and allotment tour for the 6th of June. I didn't do one last week as I didn't have chance, but this week we are back with another garden tour and allotment tour for you to come and have a look and see how things are doing down on my plot. I hope you enjoy it and remember to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with all my tours and my videos and my blogs. So let's go and see what's happening. So down the front of my plot, all my tulips have now died off and my spring flowers, but my pansies are still showing pretty well. My alliums have died off, but I'm letting them go to seed so that we get some more alliums growing at the front of my plot, as they certainly did look a lot brighter. So yeah, it's all looking pretty good. These alliums are still out, but the wind's blowing them over, so we'll see how long they last before they fall over. But I planted some geraniums as well, which I grew from seed. It's the first time I've grown geraniums from seed, so we'll see how they get on and grow. Fingers crossed they do come. They seem to be taking pretty well. So I just need to get some more summer flowers in there to make it a bit brighter. Down the front of my plot, I've got some beans growing there, hidden away. Some are getting nibbled at, but some are growing, so that's a good sign. And that's my last of my iris, what I've got left out. The others have had it now and blown away. My blueberries are doing fantastic. Look at the size of them. I can't wait until they're ripe and ready to pick. They're definitely doing really well. And my spring onions, they're all looking good. I just chucked the seed in them beds to see how they grow, and they seem to be doing pretty well, so fingers crossed they'll grow well and I'll be able to eat them. Now look at these, my plums. They're doing fantastic. Look at the size of them. Really good. So yeah. And then down this side I've got my autumn raspberries. They're all growing really well. I trimmed all them back at the beginning of the year so that fresh growth could grow. There's autumn raspberries you cut back every year, whereas summer raspberries you cut back the ones that they just fruited on and leave the new growth. My cooking apples, they're doing well. Look at the size of them. I gave this a really good pruning back this year, last year, and I didn't think I'd get many, but they seem to be doing well. It seems to have done a good trick on it and got it going, because I've got absolutely hundreds, and cooking apples are expensive to buy. My bamboo, that's doing well. I went to the garden centre the other day and I saw a massive one, and it was like 50 quid just for it, and I only paid like £5 for that one. So yeah, bamboo, absolutely loads of plums growing. Fingers crossed they don't all blow off in this wind. Then down this side, my broad beans, they're all flowering now and looking pretty good. Fingers crossed I get a lot of broad beans on these, because I'm certainly getting a lot of flowers, so hopefully they'll pollinate and create lots of lovely broad beans for my dinner. And then my rhubarb's perking back up a bit after all the rain that we've had here in Sheffield. Pears, I've got lots of pears on my pear tree, they're doing well as well. So yeah, let's have a look round the other side of my plot. My carrots, they're doing okay, some of them. Some are dying off. I gave it a good weeding the other day, but if you remember previously the weeds were just falling in. But yeah, they're doing well now. And some sweet peas, what I'm growing at the back as well. They just need fastening to the netting what I've put up. I'm pulling that bindweed out what grows everywhere on my plot, which I hate. Down this side I've got some more rhubarb, which grew from seed. It's not doing too good, some of it, but we'll see how it gets on. If it doesn't do any good, I'll pull it out, but we'll see. I'll give it a couple of years. My potatoes, they're all doing really well. Fingers crossed I'll be pulling them soon, but I usually let them die back before I pull them out. I don't pull them out too early. Some are going to flower, so that's a good sign. And at the front of them, on my radishes, all these have gone to flower. I should have pulled a lot of these out by now, but I've got some good sized ones there, ready to eat. So yeah, my radishes have done well. I'll pull them out and get some more planted. All my gladiolus gladiolis, they're doing brilliant. I've got gladiolis all the way down the sides of my plot, so it's going to add absolutely loads of colour to my plot. And then behind them I've got some more beans, and then going on to my main stretch of plot, my strawberries, which are starting to turn ripe now, so that's a good sign. I'll definitely be happy when they turn red. I'll be picking lots of them. But yeah, I've got 3 beds of strawberries, so fingers crossed I get absolutely loads. And then once they've finished with their raspberries, they'll be throwing out the runners, which a couple already are by the looks of it, and I'll get them potted up and fill in the gaps so that we've got even more strawberries next year. And in front of them I've got some shallots. I don't know if they're taking so well, but we'll see how they get on. It's the first time I've grown them from seed, so we'll see how they do. And then I've got some peas popping through. My first batch didn't come through, so I ended up planting some more, but these are definitely coming through now, so I'm happy about that. And then some calendula in front of them as well, to add some colour to the plot for the bees. And down the side I've got my sunflowers, runner beans and gladioli, and they're all doing well. It's looking good down that side. It'll look even better when they're all out in colour. Some lettuce ready to pick. That's cut and come again lettuce, so I can cut some of that off and eat it. My sweet corn's doing well, and my onions and my garlic as well. The wind certainly is picking up. I hope you can hear me still well. And my brassicas, they're all taking now. They were struggling at first with all the dry weather, but the rain seems to have perked them up. And I planted some beetroot in between as well. I thought I'd lost all that, but they're looking good. They're taking now, so fingers crossed we get some delicious beetroot. And same again for this one. I've got beetroot in between them as well. And that's my kale. That's doing well. And then I've got pumpkins as well down the sides of the plot, so that they'll spread all down the paths, and hopefully I can get some massive pumpkins. Down here I've got my courgettes. I'm trying the plant pot method so that I'm not watering the actual plants, even though the rain does wet them. But yeah, they're taking pretty good. Seems like I've lost one up there, but I've got some more to plant out, so I've got plenty to be getting on with. And my swede, my spinach is going to seed some of it, so I've lost some of that, but we'll see how it gets on. We've got some more to plant, so that's alright. And then more sweet corn with spring onions in the middle, and another bed of sweet corn and spring onions in there. It's just starting to rain. And then down this side I've got more sunflowers and more gladiolis and runner beans. So I've got plenty of colour down the sides of my pot. And then since my last recording, I've done inside my polytunnel now. I've got all my cucumbers. I've got absolutely loads of cucumber plants. I've got all them. So fingers crossed I'll be picking cucumbers every single day down here. And down the middle I've got tomato plants, and down this side I've got some more tomato plants. I've got 4 varieties in total. I know one of them is black chocolate, so fingers crossed it tastes like black chocolate, but somehow I don't think it will, so we'll see. Don't ask me the other names of the other ones because I lost the labels for them, but I know I've got 4 varieties, so yeah, it's looking pretty good in here. So I'm getting on top of my plot now. And then if we go into a shed, if you remember last time it was absolutely full to busting of plants. Still got quite a lot of plants in here, but not as many now. I've got herbs, they're all starting to pop through. And these are a lot of my spare plants that I've got to plant if I've got room. And then I've got lots more calendula to plant out, and carrots, and marigolds, and lettuce, and my peppers. My peppers, I'm going to leave them in here, and I'm going to grow them in this shed, as it's quite warm in here. It should be ideal for them. And then into my melon shed, my watermelon are taking really good. Look at them. Like I said, I've never tried watermelon before, growing them, so it's first time. And then my cantaloupe melon, which are doing really well. So yeah, it's all doing pretty good. So that has been my weekly tour of my allotment. I hope you've enjoyed it. Remember to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with how the plot is getting on week by week, and for all my blogs and advice as well. And check out the link below as well for my website with lots more information and advice on what I'm doing on the plot. And also feel free to join my Facebook page as well, where there's over 8,000 people that join my live videos whenever I'm down on the plot, so it's always good to say hello to people who are following me. So thanks for watching. Until next time, keep gardening.